Well, here is Marduk in all her glory. I'm figuring on doing the full systems test this upcoming weekend. So that is something to look forward to, I guess. And I did adjust the right wheel right here. Just move the linear actuator a little back, so the wheel now is pointing a little straighter. Hopefully the legs won't wobble around as much. And this leg looks like it's pretty fixed, I guess. Probably something I'll have to address in the future is the wonky angle that this ankle goes. You can see it's got that upward angle, which is probably why it's causing a lot of problems. I can probably just take this stud right here and shift it down a little bit, but then I'd also have to splice maybe a little more onto the end, because I also want to get some connections up here, because it's only held on at 3 points. And that makes it kind of a little jiggly. And hopefully I'll be filming a test with the arms tomorrow. And they seem to be working okay off camera, but there's some slight alignment issues. You can see the right one is really kind of angled in. And you might be wondering if my voice sounds a little different, so maybe sounds a little hoarse. It's because I work at a call center and we had a busy day taking calls non-stop for the entire afternoon, so my voice is kind of showing the strain probably, but Marduk is still getting work done on her, plugging away a little bit at a time, and hopefully pretty soon I'll have the system test done. I tried moving her back and forth a little bit, and the legs didn't seem to wander around too much, so that is a good sign. And, you know, I started up the engine the other day, so that's in good shape. And I probably should bring in that Gorilla Tape. And something I am looking forward to once I get this test business done is actually making some metal boxing gloves. You know, for Marduk to punch with. Something else that's inside, besides the inflatable ones right here. In a similar construction style as the head, using Pepakura to design a fist on the computer, and then print it out, trace it on the metal, and pop rivet it together. Kind of like the shins right here. So that's going to be something fun. A project that doesn't have to do with Marduk's function. Well, probably not the function of moving around, but the function of, you know, actually being a giant fighting robot, because little noodly fingers and inflatable fists can only do so much when you're in a fight. And unfortunately, Judd McStud fell down over there, and he's in a bit of rough shape. Mostly just because of the aesthetic panels have been wobbling all over the place, but functionally he's okay, despite looking like a pile of garbage. So, yeah, I guess that's all for this video. I'm, again, hoping to do the full test run this weekend. Going to be looking like some nice weather on Saturday. Maybe Saturday morning. Hopefully Saturday morning. And I guess that is all for this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.